Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to reset Safari settings on iPhone. So to start, open your phone settings. Now once you're on settings, scroll down to the bottom and select apps. Then in here, open Safari. So scroll down until you see Safari. Click on it. Now next, scroll down until you see clear history and website data. So go ahead and click that. Now at the top, so choose time frame. You have last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all time. So choose whichever you prefer. And next, you have additional options. You can enable close all tabs or not, depending on you. Then click clear history to confirm the action. And that's basically it. So again, open settings, then scroll down to apps, then open Safari from here. Then just scroll down to the bottom and look for clear history and website data and click clear history, and that's it. Very simple. Thank you for watching.